Deputy Commissioner Seck, would you like to introduce those?
Thank you, Chair Sheehy, members of the board. As I mentioned a moment ago, these items have gone through the intent to plan process and were sent to the system officers via an August 3rd memo from me. They were discussed on our August 31st Chief Academic Officer's call and were discussed at the ARSA committee call just this Monday on September 12th. So Regent Sheehy, I will introduce the first one, which is from Montana State University Bozeman. It's a request for authorization to create the Montana Engineering Education Research Center. The mission of the Montana Engineering Education Research Center is to transform engineering education at MSU and become a national leader in engineering education research. This center will enable MSU faculty to tackle big research questions and challenges facing engineering today with an overarching vision of improving student access.
Are there any questions about this program? Okay. Move that forward then to the action items.
For the next action item, Level 2 memorandum, it has been requested by the committee that we go through each of the Level 2 items for approval individually. So I would like to begin with Montana State University Bozeman, request for authorization to create the Montana Engineering Education Research Center. I will entertain a motion to approve.
So moved.
Regent Johnstone, approval. Motion to approve. Any discussion? Any public comment? All in favor signify by saying aye.
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 Opposed? Abstain? Motion passes.